everyone, I'm Marilyn Allis. Over the next few weeks I'm going to show you how to paint really simple roosters and chickens. Now I'm using a piece of paper that's just 5 inches across by 7 inches down. It's a Cardi handmade paper and a 16 brush. Alright, let's start with the basic shape, and I'm going to use some bright yellow, and we'll start him there. That's his head, and I think we'll make him a nice plump chicken. And into that I'm going to dip my brush into some cadmium orange and just sort of run that into the bottom. I want it to be lovely and vibrant. And then I'm going to dip my brush into some Prussian blue. And if this runs, that's good. And now I'm going to use some intense violet. So I can go into the Prussian blue there, into it a little bit darker because it's going to dry quite light. And we've got some little legs there. That's what comes under. Do I want that to run? Probably. Let's just touch that. Yeah, that's good. That's what watercolours all about. So that's the bottom, and we have one leg there, one drumstick. So you're thinking that just looks like blobs. It does at the moment, but it will look like a rooster soon. So stand him on a leg. That's okay that that's running, and he's got 1 foot in the air. That's quite cute. Let's anchor him down. So although that's raw sienna that I'm using, because it's run, that's gone quite dark, and that's okay. Well, let's just bring the shadow out whilst we're doing that, and I think we'll have a little bit of Prussian blue added into it that side. And this side, a little bit of intense violet. I'm going to dry this really well and then we'll finish it off. So as you see, really quick. And I can all see that you're looking at that thinking, that isn't ever going to be a rooster. Well, it might not, perhaps it'll all go wrong, but let's just see. I'm going to mix some alizarin crimson with some cadmium red, and let's just put a comb on him. And I think he could be turning his head slightly, so we'll see the bottom part there. That helps, doesn't it? And I think he needs a nice big tail, so some Prussian blue, and I'm going to add some sepia to that, just a touch, to make it really thick, and we can get some dry brush marks out now. And let's do tail shapes, so a little bit of curve around there, dry brush marks, almost sort of like an ice cream cone. And let's rub that over and let's bring it into a point. And whilst that's on the tip of our brush, let's just give him a tiny bit of a beak there. And then I'm going to put some sepia on its own on my brush, just on the point again. And just a few indications of feather lines here and there. You don't go mad doing this because you can overdo it. And there we have our rooster. How easy was that?